what they had to go through in the 60s and 70s, I'm in awe of what they paved for me. And that's when I got it, why I always used to expect that respect. Because of what they went through. That was back in our day, girl. That's how they talk, because I get it, I so get why because they went through the struggle.
We tell those stories over Kai, and we are doing our part to educate the youth. So I am listening. Thank you. Ngā mihi.
Your hatred is totally intolerable.
What is it about everybody here that makes you love people?
People have chosen to be who they are, and I love them. And I deeply, deeply know what it feels like to not be real in myself. I was brought up to not be real. I was brought up to fit into society, and I had a strict role. And people here have decided to be themselves, and that's incredibly dangerous. And this is queer as queer can be, and I love it. I love it.